This is after a long day of playing, which includes Mom, who's snoring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops. There they all are. Even Mom's snoring. I can't believe they're all 9 puppies and one and Mom in Mom's bed. Oops. Somebody's going to wake up. And fall out. He's going to make it a point to figure out a way to stay in there. Nope, there he goes. Rearrangement. They're so funny. They still piggy pile even when it's warm in the house. They like to be with each other. They're fun to watch even when they sleep. Alright. Night night to the crew. See you soon.